anyone know what time it is?
It's
My assistant is late.
It's a little tedious with the
Again.
accent after a while. Well, at least they remembered my favorite color.
I'll get you in some water.
That's fine. Are you sure this is matching the color of my skin? I don't know. What do you think? Nope, I think it's going to have to do.
When we start to look like James Dean, like we always wanted to.
Just have my hands.
Giving her my hairspray there,
I'm just gonna put a little color on my lips.
Some black spray and crisp. Beautiful again. Thank you, ladies.
It's such a pleasure to be here this evening. Thank you so much for inviting me. It's such a pleasure to be here this evening. No, I go on in 55 minutes. I need you here now. No, that's fine. You know, that's all right. I'll be all right. That's fine. Don't even bother. I'm gonna go on my own.
Good evening and welcome to En Vivo with Toby Real. I'm very excited to tell you that tonight we have anticipated her coming, and she finally is with us. Celestina, star of stage and screen, will be right here sitting with me and my pencil to talk with you. As I understand, she's also a wonderful songstress. We might get her to sing, we might get her to dance. Come back. We'll be right back in a moment. Welcome. My. Now, everyone's been talking about these shoes, so we have to have a shot of these shoes. Let me see these. Look at those gorgeous things. Did you buy those yourselves? You and the shoes, did you buy each other together?
You know, they're provided by my designer. I thought you would have heard by now.
I've heard a bit. We'll definitely get into your designers in a moment, but I just, as you can see, I'm into shoes, and those are gorgeous. Your whole outfit is amazing.
Thank you.
It's amazing. You look fantastic.
Thank you so much.
And you did your hair all yourself, right? As I understand.
No, I think I had a little bit of help.
We have to go to a break. We're just getting started with this fantastic performer, but we'll be right back. We'll keep talking, but we'll fill you in when you get back. So. Absolutely wonderful singer, fantastic stage actress, now on film.
Thank you.
Nominated for an Academy Award.
Yes, I'm
Fantastic.
so excited. Yay.
First time out of the gate, practically handed to you on a silver platter.
Oh.
I know what you're going to say. I'm not meaning that you're getting this
Ouch.
without any talent. But what I'm saying to you is that actresses have come to this place before, and it's a very tenuous place to be so new and to be so recognized.
Well, you know, I'd like
If you get this award, what's the worst and the best thing that could happen to you?
So haven't you reached your pinnacle, your peak at this point?
I feel that you're reaching a place of wonderful adulation from everyone who is seeing you sing,
Thank
dance, and I'm just wondering, from that place, should you win the Academy Award, and I wish you the best with it,
I intend to.
what's the worst and the best that could happen to you?
Well, I was brought up to think positively. You know, my mother, she's a very positive thinker, kind of an old hippie, if you will. And
So the best thing that could happen to you would be?
the best thing that could happen to me is that I could encourage others, sing more songs? Act more?
I would not want that to happen to you, but I just wanted to see
Not
if
want what?
I would not want it to happen that one would get to here and never be able to reach there again.
Ah, like yourself, for example.
Oh, no. So, we're going to keep the focus. We're going to keep you in the hot seat. But
Oh.
at the same time, if that's the best you can do, we can live with that, I guess.
Oh my.
First time out of the gate, practically handed to you on a silver platter.
Oh.
I know what you're going to say. I'm not meaning that you're getting this
Ouch.
without any talent. But what I'm
Woo.
saying to you is that actresses have come to this place before, and it's a very tenuous place to be so new and to be so recognized.
Well, you know, I'd like
If you get this award, what's the worst and the best thing that could happen to you?
Where are you going with this?
Well,
That's
yeah,
the worst
I
thing
think
that could
myself
happen to
as
you.
a
Positive.
Miro Sorvino,
thinker.
Marissa Tomei. What could happen?
And I
In
think
your mind.
that I could
In
probably
my
glean a
mind.
lot
Excuse me, Mr. Real?
of
Best
recognition for this role. And
What's the
Excuse me, Mr. Real?
clearly the best thing is what
Encourage
that
others.
you would like to have happen?
Excuse me, Mr. Real?
best thing I would like to have happen.
Excuse me, Mr. Real? If you don't need me, I was hoping that I could leave early today. Is that possible? Mr. Real, is everything all right?
I was sort of rolling that around in the dressing room. I was doing this whole, when I was thinking about what questions to ask you. So there would have been a tie into that. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yes.
So that would have been just a tie in.